Hello students. So today in this topic we discuss more thing about metals and non-metals topic. Today we are going to discuss about alloy. What is alloy? Alloy is a homogeneous mixture of solution mixture of metal, one metal with other metal or non-metal. Means alloy is a mixture of metal plus metal or metal plus non-metal. Metal plus non-metal. So this is your mixture. Alloy is a mixture. Mixture of metal plus metal or metal plus non-metal. How we mix metal plus metal or metal plus non-metal? Generally, we melt both all the quantity, and then we mix them in molten state and then solidify it. This is the process of formation of alloy. Alloy is generally stronger or harder than the parent metal. Parent metal means what? Parent metal, this metal is a parent metal. The main metal is known as your parent metal, and alloy is harder, stronger than their parent metal. For example, steel is stronger than the iron. But what is the use for making the metal? Not only the capacity, but to avoid corrosion. What is corrosion? We discuss afterward. For example, steel is made to prevent iron from rust. Rust is a type of corrosion. Generally, we use alloy in case of gold. Pure gold is very soft, it easily bend. To make some ornament so that they not reduce their shape or change their shape, we add some other metals to make its alloy. Clear? So this is your alloy. I want to discuss one more thing about amalgams. What are amalgams? Amalgams are alloy of mercury. Alloy of mercury is known as your amalgam. For example, silver amalgam means silver with mercury. Now next topic is what are the uses of alloy? Alloy नहीं alloy. Alloy. Generally, we make alloy of iron for it may be toughest one, tough, strong, inexpensive, and also avoid corrosion, prevent from rust. Prevent from rust. Now, after this topic alloy, we are going to discuss about uses of metals. Uses of metals. First one is iron. As we know that iron is used in form of pipes, in form of rods, so that we can frame some structures, some building structures. So iron is used for making pipes. Various things are there: pipes, or rods, frames, vehicles. Many things we can use. Okay, there are many things we use for metals. Copper we use in electric wire, we use coppers. Aluminium is also a good conductor of electricity or heat, so we use utensils and some electricity wire. Some places we use electric wire. So likewise, you have to read all the uses given in your book. There are many metals are given. Now, I'm going to discuss about corrosion. Then, what is corrosion? Corrosion is a type of layer formed on the surface of metal due to the process of oxidation. According to this thing happen, corrosion happens because of the formation of metal oxide over the upper surface of the metal with the action of air. Formation of metal oxide. They are metal oxide. They form on the upper surface. Form on the upper surface of the metal. They destroy the metal slowly. The slow destruction of a metal or an alloy by chemical action is called corrosion. Generally, metal oxide forms and they try to reduce the purity of metal. The rusting of iron is a common example of corrosion. How we prevent corrosion? We prevent corrosion by using paint on the upper surface of paint, oil or grease on the upper surface of the metal. By using the galvanization, we galvanize the metal so that metal does not react with oxygen to form metal oxide. We prevent from moisture. Moisture means combination of water and oxygen. We prevent metal from moisture, so it never corroded or get rust. Now rusting means corrosion of iron is known as your rust, and formula of rust is your Fe2O3 dot XH2O. This X is known as your hydrate number of H2O molecule. It is uncertain, so that's why we have written over the X. It is not defined. It is a number of water molecule. Number of water molecule. So that's all for this video. All of you read the topic very carefully.